Ever felt like talk therapy or meditation just wasn't for you? What if you could reduce stress, feel better, and build a lifelong creative habit by simply picking up a pencil? Meet Palette Wellbeing, a new kind of mental health app built around one powerful idea: self-guided art therapy, made simple. With just 5 minutes a day, you can draw, paint, or collage your way to a calmer, more grounded version of you. No pressure, no judgment, just creativity that feels good. Whether you're a new parent, a burnt-out designer, or someone who just needs a moment of calm, Palette is here to help. And the best part? You don't need to be an artist. The app guides you with daily exercises, video lessons from real art therapists, and stress-free prompts that make getting started easy, even if you haven't picked up a pencil in years. Feeling stuck? Hit play. Feeling overwhelmed? Doodle it out. Need some motivation? Join creative sessions with friends or explore the curated Palette Art Kit. Built entirely with no code using Bravo Studio, Palette brings the healing power of creativity into your pocket. Beautifully designed in Figma, connected to real data, and made for everyday use. Because feeling better should start with something that feels good. Start your creative wellness journey today with Palette, built with Bravo Studio.